Hello.
Hello,
Hi. Your name is okay,
Shubham.
you tell me. Shubham?
Yeah,
Shubha. Okay, my name is Michael. How are you?
I'm fine. Can you see me?
Yes, perfect. Um where are you from?
I'm calling from India.
India. And uh, what do you want to learn today? Conversation, pronunciation, what?
Yeah, I want to have a conversation with you.
Okay, your English is very good already, I see. What do you have what do you want to talk about? India?
Uh, you can choose any random topic of your own will. I will agree upon that.
Okay. Are you a student or a
Yeah,
professional? You're a student. Okay.
yeah.
So what do you study?
Currently, I am pursuing my Bachelor's of Engineering from a Stage Engineering College.
Engineering?
Yeah,
Which engineering? Like
yeah.
computer?
Stream. Yeah, I understand what you're saying. If you talk about stream wise, then my answer will be electrical engineering.
Ah, that's good. That's good. My my studies was information uh in English. Okay, information science. But GIS, geographic information systems. So but
Okay.
electrical engineering, that's good to study. Good for a career. Is is English important for after your bachelor's? Is English important for your career?
Yeah, I think this will be better known to you as well. That means English is necessary for your upcoming life. Is not this cannot be answered in a better way than a complete tutor. So I think you can tell better than me.
No, well, the with computers is a universal language. Um, for example, when my studies in information systems is programming, so it doesn't. It's not English. It's not Spanish. Is is it's Microsoft or Apple or whatever. Um, but also you have people you work with,
Yeah, that is
clients,
why. Yeah, that is why I
customers.
said. Yeah, so that means you are mentioning a client or any other physical features. That means you will interface. That means let's suppose you are not every time you will be coding and just running and program all these things you do, but certainly you got a friend circle, environment, colleagues, client, all these things you have to deal with a certain language. So that is why that is a basic other purpose why everybody learns a different new skill and languages.
Yes, I understand completely. Uh, so that's good. But for example, in India, okay, I understand like computer is like international language, but do you, what is your goal? Do you want to work in India or do you want to go to Europe, United States? Do you want to stay in India?
Yeah, I love my country above than everything. So that's why I will prioritize my just jobs scope in India as well.
But like you say, English is important because, for example, clients maybe they're from UK, America, many places.
You know,
Um,
client always don't travel by physical means. That means they can connect you through any electronic media. So for that purpose you don't need to travel abroad or anything which you are mentioning. That means different application, different purpose, and different social media connections we are having. So on that for the connection in a better way, that means we had to improve ourselves, what language we are pursuing, and so that's become mandatory. That's why I am on Calmly.
right. So, for example, you use Zoom.
Yeah, I use Zoom as well.
Yeah, me too, all the time. Um, for example, I am from the United States, um, in the state of Virginia, but
So you
um,
have also a knowledge about you Silicon Valley. Have you ever heard
say again,
Silicon Valley?
Tella, I don't understand.
Silicon Valley, you are not knowing. You are a USA residing person, and you don't know Silicon Valley, the technology
Oh
hub
my
in
gosh.
United
Okay. No,
States.
no, no, no. Of course, Silicon Valley, San Jose in California. Of course, I know
Yeah.
Silicon Valley. But now I actually live in Mexico.
Okay.
But no, I got my degree in information systems from, maybe you know, Georgia Tech is a very good
Okay.
university in America. Um, but now I'm 47. Um,
Okay.
my daughter, she's in college, so I came to Mexico because cost of living is very low. I mean,
In Mexico.
very low. Yeah, I'm in Mexico. I'm in Cancun.
So
Um,
you pay your rent on monthly basis, or it's a contract basis for 6 months or 1 year?
for 6 months or 1 year for what?
You pay rent according to the month or any other plans you are having there.
Well, I have in Mexico a roommate, and but let me explain. Okay, this is in U.S. dollars. In Mexico, the rent here is 150. Okay, that
$150.
yes, that very low. So I pay 75. I have a roommate. He has a good job. He works in IT. $75 is my share is nothing. It's like nothing. So, but in United States, 1,500 is normal.
Dollars.
Yes, so $1,500 is crazy. So when my daughter goes to she when she went to college, I decided I'm not going to waste. I mean, and also, like you say, you love your country. I love my country. I love America, but it's just too expensive. It's ridiculous. Mexico, you have good climate. Well, it's very hot. Um, but and very good people, very friendly people. Um, but and my roommate, he's amigo, you know, amigo friend, just a good friend, and so everything is 50-50. Rent is 150, so I pay 75, he pays 75. Sometimes I buy food, sometimes he buys food. So uh I love it, but electrical engineering, that's amazing. Um, it's also very technical, very complicated. This is very impressive. You like
So
you
I think you are beating about the bush, isn't it?
About what?
You are beating about the bush. That means what you are talking and from which topic to which topic you are shifting. I can't understand. Are you fully okay or medically fit or not?
I don't understand your question.
I'm asking you, are you well? Are you feeling your health is okay or not?
Oh, my health is fine.
Okay, so I think that means you are beat about the bush every time. So that's why I asked, are you properly medically okay or not? So if you need some rest, then you can take, not necessarily on any call or
No,
these type of things.
that is confusing. I don't need no medicine. Um,
Okay,
I
that
mean,
means you are
if
okay.
of course, yes, I'm okay. Um, that's um, that's unusual.
Is there anything which is stressing you at the current time?
No, I mean a little. I I don't see my daughter every day, but because my daughter is now a woman, she's in
Okay,
college, and so uh, n- before I see her every day, I protect her. Now she's a woman. She's in uh, she's in New York. She's it's scary, but anyway, I'm
I think
happy.
I think I think something is stress giving stress you. I think you are worried about something or you are concerned about something deeply. That's why I can feel this.
Seriously?
Yeah, anything which you are hiding from me, no concern. It's
No, no,
personal,
no,
but
no, no. I don't hide nothing. Um, if I have a problem, I don't go to Cambly. Cambly is not for me to talk about my personal problems. Of course I'm human. I sometimes I
yeah,
have problems, but no, I'm fine. I want to help people learn English. Simple.
yeah. No, no. Actually, according to your body posture and talking sense, I just literally feel you are in some pain or worry. That's why I asked. If you are fine, then it's okay. That's a good thing to have. You know.
Yeah, and actually, thank you for asking. Many students they don't care. They
No, no.
they but so you are a nice guy.
No,
Um,
no, thank you. It's not like that because whenever I see pain on anybody's face, then I certainly ask. It's my moral question because everybody is human, so lot of pain and sacrifices they are giving in their lives as well. So I can feel that as well.
yeah, and maybe I need to smile more.
No, no, it's not like that because I think it's a behavior and posture. I just it senses me what I can see, body language, posture, gesture, all the things I am concluding, and I am getting that means you are not fit. That means something is worried from your side, and you are just trying to uh, act in a happier way. But I can feel the pain, but if it not their pain, I'm misguiding in myself in wrong way, then it's okay, it's a good thing. You are
No,
happy and I'm happy for that.
it, it's okay. But really, actually, now I am the most happy in my life. Um, I am a good father. I I pay for my daughter to go to a good college, and now I do Cambly maybe 3 4 days a week, and not really for money, just to meet people like you. It's
Yeah, you're
good.
right.
So but thank you. You're a good person.